Good morning, sisters. So I saw on TikTok somebody vacuuming out their dryer with like this big long tube thing that just connects to your vacuum. So I decided to get it. I went on Amazon though and got it for like probably $5 cheaper than the TikTok shop. I do that anytime I see something. But anyways, I've never done it, and I've lived here for 5 years, but I always clean the lint screen. And my vacuum was empty when I started. And now look at it. This is just one time. That's just from the lint trap. Just from in here. That's crazy. Like, what the heck? That's insane. I probably could empty it and do it again. It probably would have more. But that's crazy. So anyways, I thought I'd share that with you. I didn't expect there to be that much of it, but yeah. All right. Doodles.